Alright guys, Spliffy here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be exploring the Bluedio Turbine 7th generation, or the Bluedio T7. Well, the item is not for me. This is for my father, who also likes music and also travels a lot. Imuha ni pa! I hope Alex won't be jealous. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Let's do this. Hello. Musta ka? Kusog ang hangin. Kana, nakinanunggan. Ako i-try on ang noise cancelling. Hangin kusog yapon. So ang noise cancelling niya ni ang ako ara nga side dili ang imuha. Well, this headset is really light, unlike the V2. Very good metal band, just like any other Bluedio headset. The padding foam is not that stuffy like the V2, but I guess when you put this on your ear, it's still comfortable. It passes the headband test. It comes in 3 colors, red, yellow, and black. Sound quality, overall good. Oh man, 30 hours of music. If ever your juice runs out, you can always have this. I also love how they put all the necessary analog controls on the headset. No need to use your cell phone to control things. When I think about the price, so cheap. And also the app. The app is kinda useless also with all those microtransactions. You can enable or disable any smart functions using the app. You can answer phone calls by tapping or using voice commands. I think the only negative thing about this headset is the ANC function. It only removes a little bit, not a total removal of the noise. I guess the V2 is more powerful on the ANC domain. And that's it. Well, I hope he likes it. Let's go. Oh. Happy birthday! Okay, video na. Ay, syakit mo, istorya ka. Ay, tiwan eh, ay, syakit mo, istorya ka. Hello, Max. I think he likes it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing of the Bluedio T7 headset. Leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. It will really help the channel a lot, and thank you if you did. I hope everyone is doing fine. Stay safe and keep it cool. See you on the next one. Bye bye.